Well, I had just recorded like a moment of truth reveal kind of thing, where I'd put in the RAM and then prayed to God and turned it on. One of the fans wasn't spinning right away, then it spun up. But of course, the camera turned off and just kind of deleted it, so that sucks. So I'm just gonna leave it here. I mean, it works. It looks better. We'll do probably an in-depth thing. Thank you to everyone who watched part 1 and part 2 of this. Has been, it was like a 3-hour project. I mean, this has been going for like 2 weeks though. I think the RAM looks nice. We'll definitely in the future upgrade to more RAM, but I think with the RGB fans on the side now and the super quiet fans on top, it's just going to be so much nicer, and it's going to be a lot better to stream with. This has been fun. I'm going to cable manage this back. I'm not going to show you guys the back because it's just hideous, and it still will be hideous when I'm done. I'm just going to hide all the cables. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.